Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Mosaic Mood Suite using the memorable Mosaic stamp set, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our embossing, and I have the Mosaic 3D embossing folder. I'm just going to bring in the Big Shot here. And these are a little bit different than the dynamic folders that we had in the past. So I put my gray mat as a shim, but we also sell the shims. And I have a piece of Berry Vanilla, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to put this on here and make my sandwich and run this through. And you are going to love the impressions that these folders make. Let me get this out of the way. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I absolutely love these 3D embossing folders. All right, so let's start putting our card together. I'm going to do some stamping. I have a piece of Berry Vanilla, and we are using the memorable Mosaic, and we're going to be using the Sending All Happy Wishes Your Way. And I have that mounted on clear block D. And we're going to come in with the Terracotta tile. This is a new end color for 2019-2021. All right, I'm going to make sure that's good and inked up. And I'm just going to put it here in the center. Great, I love that impression. All right, and now I'm going to come in with the Timeless Label Punch, which is this one. And just going to cut this through. So just like that. Yay, I love this. All right. So now I have a piece of the Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper. And I don't know if you can see that shine on here, but it's absolutely gorgeous paper. This is cut at 1.5 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of terracotta tile that is cut at 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to adhere this down. And we're going to center on the sides because it's the same length. Well, I got a little too close to the adhesive. Okay, try this one more time. That looks about perfect. All right, there we go. Now, let's see, I have some copper trim. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 2 pieces long enough to come around the card. Don't you just love this copper trim? I'm so glad that it came back. All right, so I like it like that. And I'm going to come in with some regular old tape. All right, so let's fix it up the way we want. Put our other piece down. And you want it towards the top. All right. So now our card base is terracotta tile. It is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to put this down with some snail adhesive, and I'm going to make sure that I put it on all 4 sides, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a strip in the middle too because it is embossed. And I want to make sure that my card stays together, so we'll center this up real nice, just like that. And then we're going to come in with this piece right here. All right, and it's going to fit ever so nicely right here in the middle. All right, and you might have guessed it, I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and let's see if we can't dress it up a little bit more. I have the flower faceted gems, and I'm using everything from this suite except for the textile ribbon. I couldn't find a plate. I didn't like the way it was going with the terracotta tile. So let's see. Let's go ahead and put one in this corner, and we'll put one way up here at the top. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to send somebody well wishes. And this suite is available for $75.50. Stampin' Up! Has made it simple for you. You can click and order the whole suite. In my description, if you click on the whole suite, it'll take you right to my online store and you can order everything. If you don't want to order the whole suite, you can click on each individual item and it will still take you to my shopping page. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!